Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ टॉप्स दिखाऊंगी from Amazon. They are all under 500 rupees and they are all perfect for the spring summer season. Some of them are solid, some of them are floral, super cute, very colorful. So if that is something that interests you, without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. But before that, if you enjoyed this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my videos in general, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with the cutest little top that I have ever owned. This tube top is so cute. I don't believe I got it from Amazon at such an affordable price. It's the most aesthetic feminine top. It's a tube top that has buttons on the front and it also has a tie-up on the back. So it's very easy to put on. All you got to do is loosen the tie-up on the back. There is also a ribbon that you can tie up on the front which runs throughout the top. At the top of the top, ये पूरा top में शिफली का काम है और ये जो black ribbon है, it is made up of black velvet and it is super cute. I'm sure you must have seen this top floating around on Pinterest. It's made up of cotton, it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. मैंने इसको medium size में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. I absolutely love the small details on the top. It's a very versatile top that can be styled in multiple ways. इस price range में ये top बहुत ही अच्छा है. Next up is this tie-up top. इसके sleeves tie-up sleeves हैं and it has got elastic all throughout the body of the top. It's more like a bustier. It's got 3 elastic from top to bottom running throughout the front to the back of the top. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है even though it is made up of polyester. It's very airy and breathable as well. इसमें छोटा छोटा flower print है which looks very beautiful. It's another very versatile top which is very easy to style. Because of the elastic, it looks a bit like a peplum top and peplum tops are back in trend. So this is something you can style throughout the summers. The elastics are not uncomfortable or hurt your skin either. And the clothing is also very soft and comfy on the skin. It's a perfect day-to-day top as well as a perfect vacation top. मैंने इसको भी medium size में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. At the price, this is a catch. Next up is this top. Even though I got this one in black, ये बहुत सारे और colors में available है. I just wanted it in black. This top is just so versatile. There are so many ways you can style this for the summers. आप इसको different type के trousers, skirts के साथ पहन सकते हो. The sleeves are adjustable as well. You can wear it as a off-shoulder top or like a tank top, whichever you prefer. ये सामने से एक full length top है and it is cropped from the back which gives the top a very adorable look. इसके structure के वजह से ये आपके waist को भी थोड़ा सा cinch करता है. The front part comes to the front leaving a little bit emptiness on the sides which makes your waist look smaller. There is also an elastic ruched detailing on the sides of the top. ये भी polyester का बना है but it's very comfortable on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. मैंने इसको मीडियम साइज में लिया था and it fits me perfectly. If black is a color that you do not want to wear for the summers, you can go for the other colors that are available. At the price, it's a really good top. Next up is another Pinterest inspired top. This is another white shiffly top. ये भी cotton का बना हुआ है. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all and fits perfectly. It looks quite a bit different though from the one that's shown on the website. क्योंकि website में जो picture use किया गया है, that is a picture from House of CB and if you're going to use a picture like that, you should make your top more cuter and if not, just make a model wear the top you have in your hands. Nonetheless, the top is really good at the price. इसमें भी एक ऊपर से टाई अप है और सामने बटन्स हैं जिसको खोला जा सकता है. So you can wear this top like a cardigan or a waistcoat in top of other tops that you have. पर इसका buttons थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही loose है. One of them has already come out, which is a big problem if you ask me. From the front it looks a bit shorter than the back when you wear it because they did not take measurements for the bust area. They should have made the top a little longer from the front to encompass the bust area, or should have just made it a bustier tops like they have shown in the pictures. Neck के side में sleeves का detailing भी काफ़ी cute है. At the price, it's really good. Next up is another floral top. This one is made up of viscose and it's very stretchy. It's a bodycon top that will fit you like a glove. This is another kind of a bustier top. इसके sleeves belt sleeves हैं that look super cute. It's very comfortable on the skin, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. ये top बहुत ही feminine है. It's not too versatile, so I'm not gonna say there are a lot of ways you can style it. There is a tie-up on the front and there are elastic on the sleeves. Sleeves के elastics उतने uncomfortable नहीं हैं. They are quite comfortable. It's very stretchy, so it's very easy to put on and put off. I love the color of the top and I absolutely adore the small floral prints in it. At the price, the top is really good. Next up is another floral top. This is longer than the last और इसके sleeves भी पिछले वाले से लंबे हैं. This has puffed up sleeves. इसके sleeves के end में भी एक band है which is not elastic. It's just a band made up of the clothing piece. ये भी viscose का बना हुआ है but it's not stretchable or anything. It comes a bit loose. मैंने इसको भी medium size में लिया था और ये थोड़ा सा loose है which is how it fits the model in the picture as well. So I think that is how it is supposed to fit you. इसके sleeves के ऊपर neck के around में भी एक elastic है which is not uncomfortable or anything. I absolutely love the blue ditzy floral print it has. It's so versatile and so unique. The blue and white color combo is something that I have always loved. The top is quite decent, so you could wear it to your school, college, etc. It's very comfortable on the skin, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It has a square back. इस price range में ये top बहुत ही अच्छा है. Next up is this solid pink top. This one is made up of viscose as well, but it's not stretchy or anything. I love the top. I love the color of the top. इसके bust area में थोड़ा सा cut out stitch detailing है. The sleeves are pretty tiny, so the top might as well be half sleeved. ये skin पे काफ़ी comfortable है. It's also very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. मैंने इसको भी medium size में लिया था और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे से fit होता है. This is another quite versatile top that can be styled in so many different ways. This top is perfect for your vacations. It's a perfect beachwear top. You can style it with your long white tied skirts and you'll have a perfect outfit. At the price, it's a really good top. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion, any other video request, comment that below and I will definitely make a video on that, and I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.